Every bottle of Coca-Cola begins with carefully selected ingredients arriving at the factory. Every ingredient moves through a controlled path before production begins. Precision blending creates the signature Coca-Cola syrup. Filtration and temperature control prepare every batch for carbonation. Carbon dioxide gives Coca-Cola its unmistakable sparkle.
Every bottle is cleaned before a single drop is filled.
Automation fills thousands of bottles every hour. Every bottle is sealed for freshness and safety. Every bottle receives its identity before leaving production. Only bottles meeting strict standards continue forward. Automation prepares every pack for shipment. Robots organize thousands of bottles for distribution.